What if someone breaks into your property and steals your DVR or NVR security system? All your footage is gone instantly. But what if we told you that you can safeguard your camera images directly on the internet completely for free? In this video, we are going to show you how to save security camera images from Dahua devices online using a free Google account. The very first thing we need to do is define which Google account we are going to use. We can use an existing Google account or create a brand new one just for this security backup. To keep this guide quick and focused, we will not show how to create a new Google account right now, but we will leave a step-by-step tutorial video at the end of this one showing you exactly how to do it. Once we have decided on the Google account, the next step is to configure it so our Dahua device can access it safely. The critical configuration here is to activate two-step verification. To do this, let's open Gmail. Click on the account profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. When the management page opens, let's go straight to the search bar, type in two-step. And from the search results, select the option two-step verification phones. On the page that appears, click the Add Phone Number button. A window will pop up asking for the phone number. Type in a valid number, making sure to include your country code, because Google will send a verification code to it. After entering the phone number, click Next, then click Save on the confirmation dialog. Now, click the Turn On button. On the next screen, click Turn On two-step verification. And finally, on the last confirmation window, click Done. With that secure layer active, let's return to the previous page and search for app passwords in the search bar. Select the App Passwords option from the results. In the app name field, type any name you want to identify your system. Once typed, click the Create button. Google will instantly generate a unique password that will be used by our Dahua DVR or NVR. Go ahead and copy this password to save it somewhere safe. And click Done to finish. A great trick here is to save this password as a draft inside your own email. Just remember to remove all the blank spaces between the characters before using it. The final step inside our email dashboard is creating a rule to keep things organized. Click on the gear icon in the upper right to access settings, and then click See All Settings. When the email settings open, click on the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Next, click on Create a new filter. In the From field, type your own current email address, the exact same one you are configuring. Then click the Create Filter button. A dialog box will appear where you must check the box that says Delete it. To finish this part, click the Create Filter button. Now that our Google account is ready, let's switch over to our Dahua DVR or NVR user interface. For this demonstration, we are using a Dahua device rebranded under the VisionBras name, but the internal system is completely identical to standard Dahua hardware. Let's log into the system menu using the admin password. The absolute first thing we need to do here is enable motion detection if it is not already turned on. We want this online backup to trigger only when someone or something moves in front of our cameras, saving space and bandwidth. To activate this, click on the Event button inside the Settings section. With the Motion Detection tab selected, select Channel 1. Next, check the box that says Send Email. We will not go into detail about every single option on this screen to keep the tutorial fast, but we will definitely record more videos about Dahua devices soon, where we will explore all these features in deep detail. After setting up Channel 1, select Channel 2 and check the Send Email box. We need to repeat this for every single camera channel. However, depending on your system version, if you see a copy button, you can click it right after checking the Send Email box for your first camera, select all the remaining channels from the list, and click OK. This way, all chosen channels will have the Send Email option enabled instantly. When you are done, click the Apply button to save these configurations. Now, click on the Network tab to access our connection settings. If your local system menu layout looks slightly different from our example screen, simply click the Save button first, and then go to the main settings section and click the Network button. From there, click on Email to open the email settings. First, check the Enable box to turn this feature on. Next, in the SMTP server field, type this. For the port, delete the current number and type 465. The anonymous checkbox must remain unchecked. Moving down to the username field, type the full Google email address we just configured. In the password field, type the specific app password we generated inside our Google account. In the receiver field, enter your same Google email address once again. And do exactly the same for the sender field. In the subject field, you can type any text you prefer, which is incredibly useful if you configure the same email on multiple locations to distinguish which DVR is sending the alert. If the attachment checkbox is unchecked, make sure to check it now. In the Encrypt Type dropdown, select SSL. The remaining options can be left exactly as they are. Now, click the Apply button to save. With everything configured correctly, every single time someone or something moves in front of your security cameras, your Dahua device will instantly record the event and send the captured image straight to your email. To view your saved cloud images, simply open your email trash or bin folder. Each image will remain safely saved online for 30 days, automatically deleting itself after that period to free up space, working exactly like a local hard drive overwrite. If you run into any trouble or have questions during the setup, feel free to leave a comment down below, and we will help you out. You can also get in touch with our specialized technical support team, which is completely free for our channel subscribers. God bless you, and we will see you in the next video.